Hi, this is Jackson Lee for Project 2. The film that I'm going to be, analyzing is the Platform 1. The first character I chose is the main character. I think his name is Goring, or I'm not sure how you pronounce it exactly, but the main character. One of the things that I feel like I can relate the best to is he put himself into that situation, looking for a diploma. And I feel like I would also do something similar if I was in dire need. I also feel like he was much of a go-getter at the very start, putting himself in that uncomfortable situation. And that's one of the things that I like to live by personally, is putting myself into uncomfortable situations so that I can develop more skills, and being comfortable being uncomfortable, because I feel as though for myself, kind of like the character, if you don't try for something that you want, you're not going to get it. And I feel like he took a big risk in doing so. I also like the way that some of the challenges he faces, and some of the dilemmas of realizing that he needs to survive because food's scarce and everything, and the way he makes alliances with people, I feel like I can relate to, because if I was put into the platform, if I was put into that situation myself, I feel like I would also try to make alliances with people, because you're stronger together than just by yourself. And I think when I watched the film, it was when I saw that I related to that as in another form of teamwork, and that I also like to imply teamwork into what I do. And that those are just a couple ways that I can relate to that character. The second character I'm choosing from the movie is Borat. He's the guy on the lower level that was cellmates with the main character. He also had a little bit of ambition when he went to the top, or tried to climb to the top, and almost ended up dying. I also, I feel like if I was also put in that situation, I would make alliances, but I would also have to take risks in order to survive. And also the way that he builds a friendship with the main character, I feel like that's something that would mean a lot. I wouldn't want to try to disrupt my cellmate, or try to make my cellmate mad. I would try to I'd try to form the alliance so that we could get out in the best way possible. I also feel like by the end, his selfishness kind of depletes, because at the start of the film he's a kind of a selfish character, but after nearly dying and making that friendship with the main character, he develops a sense of including everybody else, and not just thinking of himself in that situation. And I've had to learn about that in my past. I've had to realize that you can't just do everything by yourself, that you have to ask for help, you have to do this, you can't try to survive on your own, you need the help of other people. And I think from the film overall, the Platform, I thought it was a very, very well put together film. It showed a lot of sides of poverty, showed sides of very selfish people, very harsh living conditions, but then it also showed the two characters that I just talked about, is even though you're in a bad scenario, how do you overcome that? How do you get through? How do you battle through? And I feel like as a person, that is the kind of person that I want to be and strive to be, is the person that no matter where I'm at, no matter what I'm doing, I'm always trying to do my best and always trying to build forward towards my goals. Thank you. This is Spanish 210 video response for the individual Project 2. My name is Jackson Lee. Thank you.